Why is it so hard to see the counterfeit ways of Babylon? Cheap gold chains on rusted iron, plastic crowns on borrowed thrones. Why does a man so easily trust the lies? Chasing smoke, calling poison paradise, running in rebellion, running from the truth. Heart full of deceit, mouth full of venom proof. Pit of vipers, teaching children how to sway. Wide road crowded, all marching the wrong way. Why is it man's nature to walk in sin? Why is it man's nature to drift to the dark again? When Yah made a better way, opened up a line straight back to Him. Why is it man's nature to walk in sin? Why is it man's nature to love that shadowed in? When Yah made a better way, gave man a direct connection to Him. Is it so hard to live by Yah's instruction? Scroll on the shelf, but we study our own destruction. Ears itch for flattery, eyes hunt for a softer road. Soul knows the standard, but the flesh says take it slow. Running in rebellion, running from the light. Call chains options, we call blind eyesight. Pit of vipers, selling shortcuts for the pain.